right, good morning. Hello, everyone. All right, this is a math lesson 154, and it is for Friday, May 1st. I hope you're having a good week, and miss y'all so much. It's not the same being here without y'all. But today we're going to go over our math lesson. So if you get your worksheet out, we'll go through it together. Okay, now. If you notice on your worksheet in section 3, you'll see a circle with a dot in the middle. And so my friends, my hair is a little messed up right now. Let me fix it. There we go. This is the center of the circle, all right? So I want you to imagine, or you can draw a circle yourself and put a dot in the middle of the circle. So this is the center of the circle. Now, we need to divide the circle into half. So we're going to use our center of the circle as our guide. And it's very simple. You're going to do the same thing on your paper. You're going to start, we will start at the top, and we're going to draw a line down the middle of our circle. And we just divided the circle into half, okay? And if you have another circle here with your dot in the middle, and you want to draw a horizontal line instead of a vertical line, you can do that too. Doesn't matter, just divide the circle into half. So this is a half and a half, and we know that 2 halves equal 1 whole. So together, that makes 1 whole circle. So that's pretty basic for section 3. Now, section 4, you'll see a rectangle like so. All right, so there's our rectangle. Now, we need to divide our rectangle into thirds. So thirds, that is 1/3. That's our fraction. We need to divide this circle into thirds. So if we remember, our top number tells us how many pieces we're talking about, and our bottom number tells us the total number of parts. So thirds, we're going to divide our circle we're going to divide our rectangle into 3 parts. So 1, 2, 3. We just divided the rectangle into thirds. And this picture here represents this fraction. All right, very good. So there you go. So that is dividing the rectangle into thirds. All right. And then if you look at section 5, you are going to count and write some big numbers, but I don't want you to get scared or worried because it's very simple. Okay, the number in the hundreds place is going to stay the same until you get to the very last box. In the very last box, it changes to 1,000. So you are writing from 971 all the way up to 1,000. So remember, don't get scared. The only numbers that are changing are the numbers in the ones place and the tens place. The number in the hundreds place stays the same. All right? Now, if you go over to the back of your paper, it's kind of where we're focusing today. I want you to focus right here because on the board, we have 2 addition problems, and these 2 addition problems that are on the board are on your paper. All right, so we have 200. Remember, this is our hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. So you can say ones place, tens place, hundreds place. And so we have 243. So there's 200. There's 4 tens, and there's 3 ones. Plus 156. So remember, when we're adding or subtracting numbers, double digit, or now we're up to triple digit, we always start on the what side? The right side, so we get the right answer. So we're going to start in the ones place, right here. This is where we always start. We always start in the ones place. And we're going to take these 2 numbers and add them together because that's what this sign right here is telling us to do. Then we're going to go to the tens place and add these numbers together. And then to the hundreds place and add these numbers together. So let's begin in the ones place. We have 3 plus 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. I heard that answer out there. Very good. Now we can move to the tens place. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is also 9. I heard that 9 again. And then we can go to the hundreds place. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 243 plus 156 is 399. Simple. Let's do another one. We have 143 plus 744. So once again, we're going to start in the ones place. We always, always, always start in the ones place. We have 3 plus 4, and that is, of course, 7. Now let's move to the tens place. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then hundreds place. 1 plus 7 is 8. So our answer is 887. Wow. Okay, so that is our triple digit addition, and pretty soon we're going to take our triple digit addition and you're going to have to carry over, just like we've been doing before. All right, it's gonna get fun, so get ready. So that is that. All right, so now if you look at the board, I have some ice cream cones. Oh, Ms. Williams loves ice cream cones. And we're going to focus on these ice cream cones, and on your paper, it has the same questions. So let's begin. All right, it says Tanya and Tina have the same favorite ice cream flavor. Use the clues to find their favorite flavor. Circle the ice cream that is their favorite. So Tanya and Tina, they like one of these ice cream flavors. So we have chocolate, we have vanilla, we have strawberry, and we have peach. Okay? Just the same as is on your paper. Here's the first clue. All right, so look at your paper and let's figure out this together. So clue A, it says, it is not the flavor to the far left, okay? So remember, we have our left side and our right side. So it is not, that means it's not going to be the flavor to the far left. Which flavor is to the far left? That would be the chocolate. So it's not the chocolate. So I'm going to put an X above it. If you want to draw an X through it on your paper, you can do that too. Clue B, ready? It is not the flavor with just 5 letters for its name. So we have, let's see, vanilla. Let's count how many letters are in the name vanilla. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it can't be vanilla. That's not the correct choice. Let's go to strawberry. Oh, strawberry definitely has more than 5 letters. Let's try peach. How many letters are in the word peach? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay, so that eliminates peach because that has 5 letters in its name. All right, so we're left with vanilla or strawberry. Which one do you think it's going to be? And clue C, it is not the flavor beside chocolate. Here's chocolate. So which flavor is beside chocolate? Vanilla. So it's not vanilla. So what flavor does that leave? That leaves strawberry. So we're going to draw a circle around strawberry because that is the favorite flavor. How many of you like strawberry ice cream? I do. Woohoo. Yummy, yummy. Okay, very good. And then last thing we're going to talk about today is, let me fix my camera. There we go. I want you to be able to see this. All right, is the bottom section. You have a bunch of missing numbers. Hello. It says write the missing numbers by 1s, 2s, 3s, 5s, or 10s. So in each row, you're going to have to figure out the number pattern, and then you're going to have to fill in the missing numbers. So I've done the first 3 rows here on the board. So let's go to this first row. We have 30, then we have a missing number, then we have 40, and then a missing number, and then 45. So what do you think we're counting by in that row? We are counting by, Miss Williams messed this up, guys. Let me erase that. So in the first row you have 30, and then the next number would be 35. Because there's 10, there's 5, anyways. It's 35, and then we have 40, and then 45. So we have 30, 35, 40, 45, and then you continue filling in the rest of the missing numbers by 5s. Okay, and then the second row, we have 30, missing number 34, and then a bunch of other missing numbers. So from 30 to 34, what numbers are missing? 30, 31. So if we put 31 here, 30, 31, 34 doesn't come after 31, so that can't be it. What about 32? Let's put 32. 30, 32, 34. Okay, so we're counting by 2s. So we have 30, 32, 34, 36, and then 38. And then you can fill in the rest of the missing numbers on that row. And then the next row underneath that one, we have 30, blank, 32, 30, I'm sorry, then there's a blank number and a blank number. So we have, how many are missing from 30 to 32? 30, 31, let's try 31. 30, 31, 32, is that correct? Yes, it's correct. So we're counting by 1. So we have 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34, and so on and so forth. So go ahead and fill in the rest of those missing numbers. All right. Well, anyway, so camera's a little messed up right now. That's all right. So go ahead and do the rest of your paper and enjoy it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Hope you have a great day. Bye.